Hello everybody, I'm back with another cosplay transformation. This one's actually an original because I am a creative and it's Mermaid. I decided to go for a Mermaid 2020 look. No one ever said that I couldn't use my face and body as a canvas, right? So anyway, I am actually doing a full blown up to my chest because I didn't want to do like the full body, but I'm using Snazaroo Paint. Snazaroo Paint is by far my recommended body paint slash face paint. It's not greasy, it dries, it doesn't stain, it comes off really easily, like with a makeup wipe or some water, but it stays on your body, y'all. I was able to kind of move around and, like do my own thing afterwards, and it stays on. I've used it for cosplay events, for my Harley Quinn cosplay. I've used it. So, like, it works, is all I gotta say. You don't have to add setting powder at all. Like, you will notice at the very end, I do not set it with powder and it just dries. It is amazing. So, definitely recommend it. The palette of, I believe it's like four, I don't know, like 8 colors or, yeah, 8 colors is $75 at Michael's. When I bought it, they were having like a bunch of coupons that you can stack on top of each other, and I believe I got it for like $25. Yes, I said $25. And it is an amazing palette. It has lasted me years. So I definitely recommend it. Let's start off by Don't I Look Like a Blue Man group? I immediately was like, alright, where am I going with this? Because for stuff like this, I tend not to go off of references, and I was a little concerned, but I just kind of went with it. I wanted to give myself a light blue tint, but it didn't work out. I'm like, I look in between an Oompa Loompa, a Smurf, and what is the word? I just said it. Oh, and the guys from Blue Man Group. Yeah, it was all over the place. Anyway, I was like, okay, I'll just start out with my face, and I actually used some eyeshadow. This eyeshadow, I always forget the name, but it is my favorite. It's from Ipsy. I'll definitely have to go ahead and figure out the name of it. Uh, I totally forgot, but it is super amazing. I got it off of Ipsy, super pigmented, and that's the palette I use in this entire thing. Has a bunch of blues, purples, and just super sparkly colors. Um, those are pretty much the makeups I used. I tried using glitter, like lipstick, on my nose. It didn't work out. The lipstick I am using though is Kat Von D's, and I love it. Super sparkly, shiny, amazing. And yeah, so I remember. So the palette is called Moods by Laura Sanchez. Oh my goodness. Do you have to purchase it? Yes, purchase it for cosplay, for on the regular. I tried using blush here, guys. It didn't work out. And then I did use some highlighter in between. That one I don't remember for sure. Use some liquid eyeliner to kind of do a wing liner. Oh, and I also remembered the lipstick. It is the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil lipstick in like a purpley shade. It is Starflyer. Also came with my Ipsy. Super duper duper in love. Did eyeshadow at the bottom, at the top, and I also did eyeliner at the top, winged, and then at the bottom, just only halfway. And then I actually used my Snazaroo pink for these like scaly looks. This was actually just a wig cap that I used and stretched out to kind of give myself that scale look, because I tried doing the scale look with the eyeshadow, but on the blue it did not want to go well. Even though it worked on my eyes, it did not want to go well. And then for my eyebrows, I went ahead and did some sparkles, so you'll see I have like glitter, but I used this glitter glue, so that's what you see me putting on before, and then I put on the glitter. Make sure to use Elmer's glue on your eyebrows first, though, to go ahead and cover up your eyebrows and, not have glitter all over your eyebrows. Just a recommendation. Did some dots on the side, and then I was like, all right, I'm going to go all in. Let's try to get this blue all over me. So I do want to recommend to y'all, you will go ahead and just need to blot. Don't use a lot of water with the Snazaroo paint. Use a little bit and then start blotting everywhere. This is going to take time, y'all. It's gonna take a long time, but you'll get there. So I'm literally just blotting the entire time, and eventually you see how crisp that looks. That's how crisp it looks in person. Just saying. As long as you put your layers on, you're gonna look great, and it'll stay on, it'll stay dry, so you won't have to worry about it melting off of you. Like I said, I have done a full face makeup, and yeah, it comes off if you wipe, like if you blow your nose or something like that, because you have like that liquid. It is a water based paint, so just be aware of that. But if you're gonna be like in a dry area all day, like you are 100% super good. Also, I only decided to do like a half look because it does take forever to do this. And also, I was like, I don't have a mermaid fin or anything like that. I only have a top, and it's not even like a 100% mermaid top. I did decide to do my shoulders, so I added that pink, like scaly look on the shoulders, which looked pretty cool. If I stretched it out more, it would have looked even cooler. I did some other patches, like on my chest, and like just decided to do random patches of it as best as I could. You could stretch so much by yourself and then just kind of blot it around. Did some mascara, um, and both on the bottom and top lashes to give me like a cool little look. And then I was like, ooh, I look cute enough. Okay, right. I'm going to put my wig on. This is just a wig from Amazon, which I have been using for a bunch of stuff. Got these little cute ears from the Green Sorceress on Instagram, y'all. Go check her out. Support your local businesses. She is super awesome and makes these super cute little ear cuffs. Put my hair back and just use like a hair tie to kind of tie it up a little bit. And that was it. Look how cute I look. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe and like. Bye, guys.